Velora began with a simple belief that the way we move through our apps should feel more fluid, more personal, and more alive. Instead of static rows and rigid grids, Velora creates a visual cloud inspired by the elegance of natural motion. Your apps are no longer fixed in place. They exist within a space you can explore freely in 2 dimensions. As you move through that space, the interface responds instantly. Icons near the center grow with subtle emphasis. Those further away recede. The result is a launcher that feels dynamic, focused, and effortlessly intuitive. Velora is already a real Android launcher. It detects installed apps, launches them with a single touch, and updates automatically when apps are added, changed, or removed. Icons are cached for speed and stability, helping everything feel smooth and immediate. Search is integrated directly into the experience. With a single action, you can find any app and bring it straight to the center of the cloud. Every icon also supports deeper interaction. With a long press, you can open the app, view system information, uninstall it when permitted, or reposition it manually inside the cloud. And when one icon moves, the surrounding layout reorganizes itself to preserve visual balance. Velora also supports optional notification badges, personalized backgrounds, adjustable opacity, and a clock that appears only when space opens naturally above the interface. Even the floating controls are contextual. They appear only when needed, keeping the experience clean and visually calm. A double tap on empty space can lock the device through Android's official system method, and the entire product is fully localized in English, Spanish, German, Japanese, and simplified Chinese. Underneath it all is a clean, modular architecture built to evolve. But what matters most is the feeling. Velora is not just about launching apps. It is about transforming the home screen into something more elegant, more immersive, and more personal. A launcher designed not only to function beautifully, but to feel beautiful.